In Fusion 360, you have an assembly with a bunch of components or a few components, and you'd like to make sense of them with colors and align it with the design history and the browser. Hey, this is Tyler Beck with Tech and Espresso. I want to show you guys the component color display. The shortcut is Shift-N, or come down to Settings and you'll find it right here in the component color swatch. What this does is it turns on this visualization of colors. This is not an appearance. This is not meant for passing to renders or for getting sharp colors. This is so you can distinguish a component from another. If I have this light blue color, I can see over in the browser that that's probably the frame. By clicking on it, it verifies this is in fact the frame. Of course, by clicking on things, it's going to wake them up in the browser, but the color gives me a quick feedback as to which one is which. You also will notice in the design history, the color is to the corresponding component. So as I add new features in the timeline, I can tell which components were affected. So when I have a single component and I turn on the color, all these features pertain to this one component. This is one component. If we add a brand new component, you can see the color that corresponds to the brand new component. If we activate the top level, we now can see both components. And if you look at the timeline, you can see that all the features that pertain to that one component and this other feature that pertains to the second one. Looking for more shortcuts? Check out the 44 here, as well as some new exercises for beginners.